Welcome to Inside Factory. Like, subscribe, and press the bell.
Hi! Welcome to my factory! Come with me, and I'll show you how I'm made.
Welcome to a modern condensed milk processing plant. Welcome to a modern condensed milk processing plant.
Fresh cow's milk is carefully received and tested for quality.
Large debris and impurities are removed through filtration.
Samples are checked for fat content and hygiene standards.
The milk is then stored in hygienic tanks before processing.
Temperature and quality are constantly monitored.
Temperature and quality are constantly monitored.
Milk is separated into cream and skim milk for desired fat levels.
Homogenization ensures a smooth and uniform.
Pasteurization kills harmful bacteria while preserving nutrients.
The milk is concentrated by removing water under vacuum.
Sugar is added to make sweetened condensed milk.
The mixture is blended for a consistent, creamy texture.
A gentle final heating ensures safety and extends shelf life.
Quality checks ensure the right thickness and color.
Condensed milk is filled into cans with precision.
Condensed milk is filled into cans with precision.
Alternatively, bottles are filled for different packaging.
Sealed containers prevent contamination and maintain freshness.
Bottle caps are tightly secured for safe distribution.
Labels are applied with product information and branding. Filled and labeled products move along automated conveyors. Cans are packed into cartons for shipping.
Cans are packed into cartons for shipping.
The finished products are stored safely in the warehouse. The finished products are stored safely in the warehouse. The finished products are stored safely in the warehouse.
Distribution trucks deliver the product nationwide.
Thank you for watching this factory tour.
Like and subscribe for more industrial videos.